Hey everybody, my name is Bill, this is Yo-Yo Tech. Today we're going to do a really quick update. As you guys know, I do work with Amazon. I provide links down below. These are affiliate links, so they help me out, but they get you right to the product on Amazon that you're looking for. Now, one of the other benefits is that Amazon provides me with kind of insider information on when the sales are coming, what the top products are, and what's going on in the Amazon world. So today, being that it is the Black Friday shopping time, it is Christmas shopping season, everyone's putting their tech Christmas lists together, I thought I would do a really quick video, let you know what some of the top products are on Amazon right now, let you in on a few sales and special pricing that's going on, and a few other little bits of information they've given me. So first off, if you are in the Toronto area, Amazon has planned a pop-up store for smart home automation products only. So this is going to be pretty exciting. It's at the Toronto Eaton Centre. It is, I believe, November 15th till the end of December. I've put a link down below for that. Check it out if you're in the Toronto area. I think that's going to be pretty exciting. Now, on top of that, guys, if you are not Amazon Prime members, give your head a shake. If you're buying things from Amazon, you will get products faster, you will get products next day. There is nothing like the high of ordering something you want on a Sunday morning and having it come on the Sunday afternoon. On top of that, you're saving, what, $5, $6, $7 per order on your shipping fees. Not to mention you get access to Amazon videos, you get access to photos, and all of the other added benefits with that. Keep in mind, guys, it's Christmas. You can sign up for Amazon Prime by the month. You don't have to commit to the whole year. Anyways, again, links are below, take a look. Guys, let's get down to the 2018 Black Friday Christmas shopping Amazon list. Number one on my list, guys, is coming from Amazon themselves. They have a sale on their Amazon Smart Plug. The Amazon Smart Plug, I believe, is going to be $24.99. This is a fantastic plug that works with Amazon Alexa. You can schedule your lights, fans, appliances, things like that to turn on and off when you're not there. It's super simple to use, it's compact. It is an awesome smart plug. You can set your entire Christmas lights up to run off these plugs. Definitely much easier than climbing behind the couch, trying to get past the tree to plug it in and turn everything on every day. Next up on my list is the MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener. Now guys, I did a video a while back. I made my own smart garage door opener, but a lot of people have been asking me about, guys, how can I do this but simpler? I don't want to be buying circuit boards. I don't want to be running wires. And hey, I understand. With the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener, you can simply install it. This is going to give you access to tell if your garage door is open or closed, to remotely control your garage door and have that peace of mind that it's closed. I mean, how many times have you driven away from your house and thought to yourself, did I close the garage door? Now, I like to take these and pair them up with a Nest camera or other smart camera. Nest is my choice. All in all you need is the garage door opener. Links are down below, check it out. Now, speaking about cameras, next up on my list is super popular. You've all heard about it. If you don't have one, the time is now. It is the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Now, this is super simple. It's something that should have happened years ago. It's a small little replacement for your normal doorbell. You're gonna get notifications to your cell phone. You're gonna get pictures and images whenever there's motion. Next time Amazon does make a delivery to your house, you're gonna see them leave the package there. It's gonna record this to the cloud. It's gonna send it to your cell phone or your mobile, and you're gonna know about it. Let's move on to Alexa, the Amazon Echo devices. Everybody wants an Amazon Echo. If you don't have one yet, you're totally missing out on the craze. There are many different versions of this you can get. You can go right down to the Dot, which is kind of their smallest version. You can go up to fancier ones with displays. You can go to ones with great speakers on them, taking over smart homes completely. They're awesome devices. You can ask them about the weather, you can ask them about recipes, you can play games with them. There are so many integrations out there. If you don't have one or you know somebody who doesn't, it's definitely time to hook yourself up. Now the next one up on my list is an awesome product. It's a little bit higher end and I have a full review coming on it soon, but it is the NEEO Smart Home Remote and Hub. This thing is a super polished high-end feeling remote control with a smart brain hub. It can control your entire house. We're talking lights, plugs, sockets, TVs, IR, amplifiers, pretty much anything that you may have in your entertainment system in your house. You can create routines, you can control it using your voice, and it has a fantastic remote control that goes with it. Guys, if you are like me, one of the last things you want to do is be cleaning your house. So for years, I have been using robotic vacuums. Amazon has a fantastic one out there that comes super highly recommended, and that is the Neato Robotics D6 Connected Laser Guided Vacuum. Yes, that is a mouthful, but that's because the features on this thing are crazy. This actually goes and maps out your house, and it will use a laser to guide itself around the room. It can work with pet hair, it works with dirt, allergens, all of that type of thing. You can even go on with your smartphone and see where it's going. You can guide it and do all sorts of funky things with that. It's gonna get your house clean so you don't have to do it. Now, speaking of your house being nice and clean, you're gonna wanna make sure that your house is nice and secure. I have installed a YaleAssure smart lock with touchscreen. Now, this makes it super easy because, to be honest, I haven't seen a key to my house in years. All I need to do is remember the code for this, and I can get into my house whenever I need to. Now, on top of that, I can control it from my smartphone, so if I'm not home, I can give somebody remote access to my house. Paired with that garage door opener, I can give them full access. This also works with Alexa. I told you most of the products on this list will. So you can essentially go ahead and just ask Alexa, did I lock the door? I mentioned to you guys earlier the Nest camera I use in the garage. Well, I also have them outside. I use the Nest camera outdoor security camera pack. And this is another one of those special sales that Amazon has going on right now. 2 camera pack. And again, they both work with Alexa. These can be a lot of fun. I'll post my video up above on the Alexa spot, but you can actually just ask it to show you whatever camera you want to see. I can actually see the garage camera, make sure those garage doors are closed. But now what I like about the Nest cameras is the way it can identify people and things within zones, and it sends a quick animated snapshot to my cell phone so that I can instantly see what's going on. Now, the final one I have, guys, is the Samsung SmartThings Hub version 3. I also did a review on this recently. I have been using SmartThings since it was a Kickstarter project. It is a fantastic cloud-based system for controlling all of your smart things, your smart plugs, your smart cameras, your Sonos speakers, your lighting products, your switches, your door locks. All of these things can connect to Samsung SmartThings. And then using your phone, you can create routines to automatically lock your doors when you forget, to automatically turn off your lights when you forget, to notify you of water leaks. It is a fantastic device that anyone who is interested in smart home automation should have. So, guys, again, the links below, they're gonna help me out. They're gonna get you directly to the product, the best prices you're gonna find on the product. So it's a win-win-win for everybody. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck on your Christmas shopping, Black Friday shopping, Cyber Monday shopping. It's better to do it from home. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Christmas.